Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you best Android customization app 2024. So for the video, I'm going to show you two apps that can be very helpful to you. The first one is Pixel Search. If you're not satisfied with your search result and if you don't find the exact search result every time, well, this app can help you a lot. So go to Play Store and search for Pixel Search. Just install it. Now after installing this app, just launch it. Click on Start Setup. Click on Skip. Now in this app, here you can see if you search anything, it will be automatically in front of you. You can just search on Google, Chrome, YouTube, Maps, anywhere you want. This is a very helpful search app. Now for the second app, you can just get a lot of help by this app. So the second app is Shortwave. So go to Play Store and search for Shortwave. Here you can see the Shortwave app. This app is generated by AI, so AI can help you a lot by this app. Just install it. Now just launch this app. You need to sign in with your Google account. Click on user research and continue. Next, go to my inbox. Now in this app, you can just do so many things here. You can see you can just search anything here. In the bottom left, you can see your profile. You can add account. And in the bottom right, here you can see there is AI assistant here. This AI assistant can help you a lot in so many tasks. So guys, that's the two apps that can be very helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.